During the press conference held today, Meghalaya Prime Minister James P.K. Sangma made certain clarifications with regards to allegations earlier made by the leader of opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma. While stating that misconstrued facts that were recently made available in public domain are nothing but a skewing of public opinion, he also said that the NPP-led government stands its ground on being transparent with and accountable to the people of the state. Speaking on the Asian Development Bank loan, James Sangma said that this was given by the central government to the states in the form of a grant.
On the ADB project. It is firstly necessary to clarify certain things where misconstrued facts have been put out in the public domain to skew opinion. At this point, it is necessary to be totally transparent and open with the public as the NPP-led government believes in being answerable to the people. And ADB financing is primarily a loan given to the central government. The central government then functions as a guarantor for the loan, which is then passed on to the state government as a grant from the central government. By extension, this means that there is barely any debt burden on the state as the sovereign guarantee is given by the center. Regarding this pertaining to the tendering process to favor only one bidder, as alleged by the opposition, the tendering process for the ADB projects was done as per the ADB guidelines.
The Power Minister made clarifications on the Saubhagya scheme that was brought to the state immediately after the NPP government had come into power with the intention of developing the power sector in the state.
On the floor of the August House in the Assembly, yet still the opposition seems to be not satisfied with the replies. So therefore, once again, I would like to take this opportunity to throw some light on the Saubhagya scheme. It is necessary to mention here once again that as the NPP-led government stays committed to developing the power sector of the state, it successfully brought the Saubhagya scheme into the state immediately after it came to power. We all know that this Pan-India scheme was launched by Honorable Prime Minister, by the Government of India in the year 2017. And this was a time when the Congress government was leading the state of Meghalaya. However, despite this being such a great scheme, which would benefit our citizens immensely, the Congress did not bring it to the people of Meghalaya, even though all other states did. For some reason best known to them, they did not. But we felt that this scheme would benefit our citizens, and we felt that we must implement this. Two companies from outside the state were awarded the project at 51% above the schedule of rates. That is again something that is being repetitively mentioned by the opposition, and I would like to clarify about this.
On the online e-tendering process, the Power Minister stated that guidelines were followed and that companies were awarded the work only after due approval from the central government. He also mentioned that the complete bill of quantities were vetted and duly approved by central government agencies.
In an online e-tendering process as per the central government guidelines. Companies quoted the lowest bid. They were awarded the work only after due approval from the central government. All the prices quoted by the lowest bidders were verified by the central government agencies, and after they approved the same, only then were the letter of awards, the LOAs, issued by the state government, by the MECL. Regarding the prices of few items as alleged by the leader of opposition, it should be noted that this was a turnkey project, and the complete bill of quantities was vetted and duly approved by the central government agencies and experts.